In 60 seconds, I'll show a safe, step-by-step battery replacement for a Retina MacBook 2017. Gather tools, pentalobe and tri-point drivers, spudger, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap. Power off the MacBook and flip it over onto the anti-static mat before starting. Remove the 5 pentalobe screws and place them in a magnetic tray, noting their positions. Open the case and pry the battery connector up with a plastic spudger. Warning: avoid metal tools. Slowly pull the adhesive strips straight out, pulling along their length to prevent tearing. Lift the battery gently from the chassis, watching for hidden clips and cables. Place the new battery into position, aligning screw holes and the connector without fastening yet. Reconnect the battery connector firmly with the plastic spudger, ensuring a full click connection. Reinstall the bottom case screws in their original locations and tighten evenly. Tip: avoid over-tightening. Power on the MacBook and open system information to view battery cycle count and condition for verification. Recap: tools, disconnect, remove adhesive, install new battery, and confirm health. If unsure, seek professional service.